Welcome to the Gallon Kitchen. So we make shrimp fried rice. Let's go. Clean up our shrimp. Add some sexy olive oil. Dash on some cornstarch. Sprinkle some gallon lemon pepper and herbs. Put in a little tip of soy sauce. Be careful, because we don't want this too salty. That's it. Make that marinate. We're going to scrape out some old rice and dash in our bowl. We're going to heat up the rice for 30 seconds. We're going to get one egg and we'll separate the white from the yolk. So now we drop the yolk on the rice and we're going to break it up and mix. Mix, 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 mix. Look how nice and yellow the rice is. Ready to start to frying. You're going to jack up your heat and grab your skillet. Dash in a piece of butter. We're going to fling in with shrimp right in the butter. Make it go on partially cook. So we'll put the shrimp aside and now we add a piece more butter. And we're going to drop in with eggs. Eggs is nice. We're going to scoop this aside. And then we're going to add the rice. Pour in a little olive oil. Add the rice. So I'm going to add everybody to the party. Add a little bit of salty cooking wine. Add some stir-fry sauce. Add some soy sauce. So I decided last minute I want some broccoli in here. I never did add no onion or green onion to it because I never want that. I just want veggie free, but I add the broccoli last. So here's my quick Monday dinner. I'm guarantee you my husband not gonna vex with me because I always make these type of meals when he's not here. But look at that. About to dig in. Talk to you later. Love you. Bye. The food, yeah? Nice. So good. I'm going to try it out. I'm going to talk to you later. Love you. Bye.